enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Let's get started. Here I'm just basting it with a little bit of apple juice mixed with olive oil, just so it doesn't dry out during the cooking process. I just apply it about every hour to hour and a half so it stays nice and juicy. After about 2 hours of cooking, I'm inserting the thermometer so I can monitor the temperature. I'll let it go to about 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I'll wrap it with some butcher paper. Here you can see I brought it in the house for a second and I just wrapped it with one layer of butcher paper. I took it off the grill at about 195 degrees Fahrenheit and let it rest for just a little over an hour to an hour and a half. And I'll be slicing it into pieces for dinner, and you guys will see that here very shortly. As you can see, it's still nice and juicy in the center, and it tastes as good as it looks. It turned out really nice, a great smoke ring, and I'm happy with the finished product. Thanks for following along. I hope you enjoyed this video of my Green Mountain Grill pellet smoker and smoking a brisket that turned out really nicely. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.